Hello YouTube, it's me again. I'm just going to show you my, they call them drag saws, the power hacksaw. I bought one, I paid $100 for this thing. It's kind of cool. I need to order some blades for it, but see it's an Atlas. It's kind of weird because everyone I've ever seen online of these drag saws doesn't come, see this? It's on wheels. And if you look over here, you see those two pipes? It looks like there was a handle on it, and if you look all the way down here, there's a set of leveling tools here. You can like little pads on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. See the little pads? The other one's missing one. I'm guessing this drag saw, which works pretty damn good. I tried it with a regular hacksaw blade. So yeah, I have to order some the big thick blades. This came with a regular blade. We tried it out. It works pretty good. It cuts pretty fast. What I want to do is I actually have all the things in here that I want to repaint. I want to repaint this thing gray. I'm not sure if I want to put it on bench mounter or I just want to leave it and put it on a bench. But it's pretty cool because I can just roll it underneath a car or make a place under my bench and roll underneath and pull it out when I need it. Because a lot of times I have a chop saw over here, which I'll uncover for a second here. I have one of these things, and yeah, they're great, but they make tons of sparks. So when using one of these, it's just chop, 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 and they work pretty good. Right next to it, I picked this up in this thing. I bought myself a vintage circle cutter. According to the catalog, it's made in 1906, or that's when they came out with it. I'll show you the hold on. Over here. Here's the label. It's built by E.W. Bliss Company. The only thing, if you look here, there's the handle's missing. Well, I found out that little space between the gears and the little bolt on the end. Well, the bolt's where the handle goes, and this space was originally made for the belts. I guess the old shops had the belts. If you look all the way down, you can unbolt this, and this thing can be unbolted and slides back and forth. The reason why I wanted a circle cutter is because when I want to cut a circle, it's a pain in the butt to cut thin sheet metal with a angle grinder, and tin snips and all that crap just kind of suck. Plus, when I picked this up off the guy, he was like, "Oh, it's $100." He says, "Somebody from Brooklyn offered me $500 just to hold it." So I'm guessing there's some value to this thing. It weighs about, I don't know, 60, 70 pounds. I'll probably get another hernia just moving it. This thing weighs, I needed 2 people to get out of my car. Plus I got a cool, I got one of these too, little anvil. It came with a stand. I've got to build another stand. I have 1 or 2 more anvils. I was also telling you I like building, well, it's not like the biggest thing in the world, but I was practicing building, what do you call it? Chairs. Right there's a, what do you call it, metal chair frame. That's the first one I did. I screwed it up. I screwed up the measurements. I have a stack of, I think it's four more unfinished. I kind of stopped because it was too cold in my garage this winter. I'm not finished insulating the ceiling, and this year I should have it done. So anyway, that's all I got for you. But I really like this drag saw. It's pretty cool. It's got it seems like everything, you can see where I cut a piece of metal on there. Cut it pretty straight. It's got all the original tags. It looks like it's got the original paint. It's even got the original switch. I mean, look at it. Original switch. I don't think the cord's original, but everything seems to be, the motor looks legit. I don't know if it was painted over or what, but it looks like everything was supposed to be here. And it looks like it barely got any use because there's not much wear on it. So yeah, I hope you like my videos. I own a couple of old tools. I don't own like an entire collection like some of these people. I basically am buying the tools that I need, and I'm buying old ones because they're made better, and that's pretty much it. So anyway, let me know if you like this video, like and subscribe it, and tell all your friends that I got weird videos. Thanks. Bye.